Hello, and welcome to the Sweet Tip of the Week. If you've been following our weekly videos, you probably know by now that we love anything that's free as long as it's useful. Well, we have another freebie that's very useful. Most of you have probably heard of LogMeIn because it's advertised everywhere. It's a great tool for accessing your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac, from anywhere you have an internet connection with another computer or a smartphone. Your smartphone can be Android-based, or you can access it from your iPhone or iPad. Now, LogMeIn has a half a dozen or so products, and included in those are a couple of free ones that are great and easy to use. If you go to LogMeIn.com and click on the Products button, located in the upper left-hand corner, a drop-down menu appears. Then scroll down and click LogMeIn Free. Click the Try It Free button. Now, fill in the 3 blanks, select your country, and you're done. Your account is all set up and ready to go. Okay, now that you have your account set up, you'll have to download LogMeIn for each computer you want access to. As far as I know, there's no limit to the number of computers you could have set up on the free account. I have heard one individual that has 50 on one free account. That's probably more than the average person would have. Let's take a look at LogMeIn in action on a computer, and then we'll take a look at what it looks like on an iPad. Here I've already logged in on my work computer, and you can see the 3 computers that I have set up with LogMeIn. Now, select which computer you want access to. It will take you to that computer's LogMeIn screen. Fill in the required information, username and password. If your computer has a password on it, you'll enter it here. It only asks you for a few of the letters, numbers, or symbols, then click Login. And you're in. Here you can my Mac's desktop. You can open and move any file. If you want to transfer that file to the computers you're sitting at, you can use Dropbox. Now, Dropbox is a free app that we reviewed a few weeks ago. Now let's take a look at how it looks on the iPad. Here you can see the iPad LogMeIn app. We'll open it. Now, we've already stored our username and password, so it will automatically open to the My Computer screen. As before, you can see all 3 computers, and we'll choose my iMac that I have at home. If the computer you're trying to access is password protected, your keyboard will pop up and you'll enter the required information. Voila. You're now logged in with your iPad on any other device you're using. At this point, you can turn the hints on or off, or just continue on to your computer. Once again, you can see my desktop, and in the lower left-hand corner is the virtual mouse. Along the bottom of the screen is where you turn the mouse on and off, keyboard pop-up, screen zoom in and out, your settings, and the End Session button. It's very, very easy to use. As I mentioned earlier, the LogMeIn app for both the PC and the Mac are free. The app for the iPad and iPhone is also free. Unfortunately, for the Android, it runs $29.99, but it's only a one-time purchase. Now, LogMeIn also has a variety of other apps, which we won't go into because they're not free. You can check them out at LogMeIn.com. If you have any problems installing and/or using LogMeIn, call the 800 number below and we'll put you in touch with the nearest Friendly Computers or Computer Renaissance.